your feelings. Remember the day my stone heart was